Hey everybody, welcome back to another special tech video. Today I'm talking about the GoPro Hero9 Black and the special audio attachments you're going to need for this system. Now if you check down here, you're going to see all of these different audio attachments that I have, including lavalier mics and the VideoMicro by Rode. Now if you stay tuned, I'm going to show you the audio samples from all of this. I'm going to do a lot of tests riding on my electric board, and I'll show you audio samples and let you decide which audio you prefer, and I'll also talk about which works and which doesn't, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so if you previously upgraded or bought the new GoPro Hero9 Black like I did, I upgraded from the GoPro Hero 5 to this 9 here, and I'm going to let you know right away, this attachment that I had for the GoPro Hero 5, which works for the 6, 7, and maybe the 8 too, this one no longer works with the GoPro Hero 9. If you try to plug it into the USB port here, it does not pick up the mic for that, so you are forced to buy, that's right, the media mod that they advertise for the GoPro Hero 9. And this is how the media mod looks like. It's this case right here with another external microphone that attaches to it, and it has ports on the back that you can plug in your 3.5mm plug or another USB-C and the regular old adapter that no one uses anymore. So yeah, you can no longer use this attachment and forced to buy this media mod if you want good audio quality. So I'll be doing an audio quality test using the default audio on the GoPro Hero 9. I'll do a test with the media mod, and I'll do a test with my external mics to let you guys hear how it sounds like. And I'll show you guys right here. I'll put on the media mod right now, and to do that, you got to pop open this door, and it's a little bit hard. It's a little bit hard there. You got to use your fingernails to pop that open. Whoops, it's recording, and stop. But for this door right here, all you have to do is just pull it like that, and it comes right off. Very simple, very easy. The battery is located right here, the media chips right here, and USB-C. So let's open up this case now. To open this up, I have to pop this out the same way like that. It comes off. And then here's the USB-C plug. So it's got to go in this way. It slides in like this, right into the USB-C plug. Get it snug in there, pop it in like this. It will snap together, and there is the media mod on the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Alright guys, so after you plug in the media mod, it will detect it right away, and you can tell by scrolling down here. Okay guys, so with the media mod attached, the GoPro will recognize it right away, and you see right here my audio level is being picked up by the microphone on this right here. And you can swipe down on here and go to the settings if you want, and you can check out in the preferences. You scroll down here, it says mods, and you'll see right here the media mod is on, and it says standard mic. So I'll connect the Rode microphone to this right now in the 3.5mm plug. After I attach the mic to it, you're going to see right here that I can select this mic mode right here, and I can scroll down. If I go to standard mic plus, that will increase the decibel by 20. And then these are other modes. You can select a powered mic if you have a powered mic, and increase the decibel on that as well for powered mic plus. And then it has this line in as well, and this line in is not for mics, it's for other stuff. It says use with audio equipment other than a mic, which, you know, it could be a mixer, guitar preamp, a karaoke machine, etc. So that's what the line in means. But for all of the audio in this video, I'm using the standard mic on this. I'm not going to increase the standard mic plus by 20 decibel. I'm just going to have it with standard mic because it picks up pretty well. And of course, if I unplug this, it will go back to the regular mic on the GoPro. So guys, what I want to talk about right now is how to get some of these mics to work, because I had a difficulty when I first did this, and I thought things weren't working. I thought maybe this thing was broken, but I'm going to show you right now how to connect the external mics to this into the 3.5mm plug. So the first thing I did was to use my Apple headphones right here, right? Everyone has these. It comes with your iPhone, and a lot of people use this for their mic. So I'm going to show you right here, when I plug it in directly, you see the audio is not picking up right here. The audio is not going. And that's because you need a attachment for this. And so to get this mic to work, I have to use this attachment right here and plug it into my headphones, and then I plug that into the GoPro. And the same thing goes for my lavalier mic right here too. So the thing is, I bought this lavalier mic here by PowerDeWise, and I'll leave a link down below, but this PowerDeWise lavalier mic, it came with this attachment. And so I have to use this attachment for my Apple earphones here if I want the mic to work, or for my lavalier mic. And this Rode mic does work when I plug it directly in right here. See, the mic level still picks up right there. You'll see that it's green when I talk right here into the mic. and it's picking it up without the converter attachment. Alright, so right now I'll do an audio test using the media mod with the GoPro, and then I'll do a test with the Rode Micro, and then I'll do some outside tests with, you know, my other headphone mics here and let you guys hear how it sounds like. Alright guys, so I'm using the default mic on the GoPro Hero 9 right now, and this is what it sounds like. I'm about 3 feet away, so it shouldn't be too bad. I think the Hero 9 Black mic sounds a lot better than the previous models, but you know, having an external mic does sound a lot better than the default mic on this. So I'll let you hear how it sounds like right now while I'm talking with background music on, and hopefully that picks up right there. But yeah, this is the default mic audio on the GoPro Hero 9. So next what I'll do is I'll put on the Rode microphone. This one is really good. I love using this mic, and I'll let you guys hear how that sounds like right now. Alright, so right now I have the VideoMicro by Rode attached to the GoPro, and same thing, I'm sitting about 3 feet away. But you know, if you like the sound of the media mod alone with the default mic, I think that should just do fine. Now guys, what I have is the Lavalier mic right here, and I'm gonna test this out. It's attached to the GoPro right now, and usually I just clip it to my shirt like this right here. And this is how I normally do my videos while I'm talking. And I'll just talk normal like this. This is how I normally just talk while I'm just doing commentary videos. And I'll put up the music a little bit here so you can hear the background music on it while I'm talking. And I think lavalier mics are one of the best because while I'm moving around, while I'm, you know, just walking around, whatever, my audio isn't gonna like go from left to right. It's gonna like, it's not gonna sound distant, you know. It's gonna sound like I'm right at the mic all the time. So lavalier mics are really good, and I really suggest this one. This is one of the most highly rated lavalier mics for an affordable price. And I have all of the link for this in the description down below. Along with this one too right here. This little Edutige little mic right here, this one is really good too. But like I said, what's good with this PowerDeWise lavalier mic is that it comes with that attachment that you need. So I have that attachment on the GoPro right now so that this mic works with it. And same thing, you know, for the audio to work with the Apple headphones here, it needs that attachment for some reason. I don't know why, it just doesn't work by directly plugging it in, but it needs the attachment. So what I think I'll do right now is I'll go outside on my electric board, and I'll test out the mics on that because I'm gonna attach it to my motorcycle helmet. And I know a lot of GoPro vloggers out there, they're using helmets and they're putting their mic in there, and I'm going to show you how that looks like and how it sounds like while I'm riding around with the wind and all that. And here we are guys, I'm outside cruising around on my electric board, and right now I'm talking through my iPhone earbuds right now, and this is what it sounds like. So I don't know how it's going to sound until I get back to edit this. But just to let you guys hear how it sounds like, I'm gonna lift up my motorcycle helmet right now so you can see. I'm not going too fast right now. I'll try to speed up, get some wind in here, let you guys hear how it sounds like. And it should sound pretty good. But put down my helmet, and that's how it sounds like. It sounds a little bit muffled in here when I have my helmet down and I'm talking. And here, watch. Now I'll lift it back up, and that's how it sounds like with the helmet up or the wind visor up. So I'll just cruise around a little bit, and then I'm gonna put on the PowerDeWise lavalier mic and let you guys hear how that sounds. Alright, so I have my PowerDeWise lavalier mic attached right now, and this is how it sounds like. And I'll show you guys how I hook this up. It's kind of janky a little bit, but you guys get the idea. You can figure it out how you want to hook it up. Let me close my visor. There we go. Let's take off. Yeah. It's a great day in Southern California. And I have the lavalier mic on right now. It's the PowerDeWise microphone. External mic. I'm going to cut over here before this guy comes over. And yeah, this is how it sounds like. I have my windscreen on. I'm going to open it up now, because it might sound a little bit muffled with a windscreen on. So this is how it sounds like without the windscreen on. Oh, let me cut over to the school here. It's kind of weird wearing this helmet right now. I look like a big dork. Is this open? Oh shoot, yeah, it is open. Don't lock me out. And so yeah, I'm gonna end it here. I'll give you guys a couple more shots, but I hope this video helped you guys out on figuring out the mic configuration for your GoPro Hero 9, because it changed a lot. You know, like I said, I upgraded from my GoPro Hero 5 and I had to buy all of these stuff just to get the mic to work, because I hated the default mic on the GoPro. But even though the Hero 9, it does sound a lot better than the Hero 5 that I had with the default mic, but still I want the mic to sound really good for you guys. So that's why I'm doing all these different audio configurations, and I hope it helped you guys out. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.